Hey everyone, welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're going to totally demystify the modern computer, literally from the inside out. Whether you're opening up your very first laptop or you already know your way around and just want to, fill in a few gaps, you are in the exact right place. We're taking a visual journey to really understand these incredible machines that basically run our modern world. We're going to strip away all that mystery so you can use them with absolute confidence. Okay, let's dive into this. We've got a clear roadmap today. First up, meet your machine. Then, speaking the language. Third, connecting to the world. And finally, staying safe and healthy. Part 1, meet your machine. So computers basically boil down to two main things, hardware and software. It's actually a pretty simple split. Hardware is the tangible stuff, the actual physical parts you can touch with your hands, right? That means the internal components, your monitor, your keyboard, the whole shebang. Software, on the other hand, is completely intangible. It's the instructions. It's programs like your web browser or your word processor that literally tell that physical hardware exactly what it needs to do. Now, deep inside that hardware, sitting on a giant circuit board we call the motherboard, is the CPU, the central processing unit. Honestly, just think of this as the brain of the computer. It processes all the information and carries out every single command. But because all that heavy thinking and calculating generates a massive amount of heat, the CPU is covered by a metal piece called a heatsink. It literally draws the heat safely away so your whole machine doesn't just overheat and crash. Now, what's really interesting about this is the huge difference between your computer's temporary and permanent memory. So RAM, which stands for Random Access Memory, is basically your short-term memory. The computer uses it whenever it's actively doing calculations. But here's the catch, and it's a big one. All that data gets wiped completely clean the second you shut the computer off. That's exactly why we have the hard drive. That's your long-term storage. It keeps your photos, your documents, all your stuff securely saved permanently, even when the power is completely off. For personal use, most computers come in two flavors. You've got laptops, which are highly portable. They give you the absolute freedom to work anywhere, since they have a built-in battery, screen, and touchpad. Then you have desktops. Sure, they're meant to stay parked at a desk, but they offer way larger monitor setups and totally customizable parts. You can mix and match pretty much any keyboard or mouse you want. Knowing this helps you confidently pick the exact setup that fits your daily life. Moving on to part 2, speaking the language. So, think about this for a second. Do you actually speak the same language as your computer? The answer? No way. Your computer doesn't know a word of English or Spanish or anything like that. At its core, it literally only understands a giant complex web of ones and zeros. So, how on earth are we actually giving it instructions? Well, that is exactly where your operating system steps in. The OS, whether you're rocking Microsoft Windows on a PC or Mac OS on an Apple, acts as this vital built-in translator between you and the hardware. It takes your mouse clicks and your typing and translates all of that into those ones and zeros. It lets you interact seamlessly without ever needing to learn a single line of binary code. Pretty amazing, right? All right, part 3, connecting to the world. Getting your home online can sometimes feel, super overwhelming, but it actually breaks down into 3 easy, actionable steps. First, you choose an ISP, an internet service provider to buy your connection from. Second, you connect the modem they give you to your cable or phone line. That's what physically brings the internet into your house. And third, set up a wireless router. This little device takes the internet from the modem and broadcasts it as Wi-Fi, meaning all your phones and laptops can connect completely wirelessly. Okay, so you're online and working away, but here is a serious question. What happens if, say, a rogue meteorite crashes through your roof and absolutely flattens your computer? I know, it's a ridiculous metaphor, but it hits the nail on the head for a very real fear we all have: losing all those irreplaceable family photos and crucial work documents if our physical machine gets destroyed. And that fear, that is exactly why we use the cloud. When you save files to the cloud, they aren't just sitting vulnerably on your laptop's hard drive. They are saved incredibly securely on remote internet servers. It's basically like having a giant, indestructible backup hard drive that you can access from anywhere in the world. It protects your memories from coffee spills, viruses, and yes, even rogue meteorites. Finally, part 4, staying safe and healthy. Look, a clean computer is a fast computer. Keeping the dust out prevents the cooling fans from choking up, which absolutely stops overheating. But you have to clean it the right way. Rule number 1, always unplug the device first. Use a can of compressed air to blow out dust from the keyboard and just a cotton cloth with a little rubbing alcohol for sticky keys. Oh, and here's a massive golden rule. Never spray liquid directly onto your screen. And definitely avoid glass cleaner because it'll literally strip the anti-glare coating right off your monitor. But hey, it's not just the machine that needs maintenance. You need to stay healthy too. Sitting hunched at a desk all day is surprisingly brutal on the human body. So to dodge those aches and pains, just remember a few ergonomic essentials. Keep your wrists straight and relaxed when you type. Position your monitor about an arm's length, like 20 to 40 inches away, right at eye level. And this is crucial. Stand up and move around every single hour to save your back and neck. And this brilliantly illustrates a highly practical trick to avoid digital eye strain. We call it the 20-20-20 rule. It's so simple, but it's a total game changer. Every 20 minutes, just look away from your screen and focus on an object at least 20 feet away for exactly 20 seconds. That's it. It gives your eyes the exact break they need when you've been staring at bright lights all day. Now, shifting gears back to your digital health, let's look at the absolute must-have habits for keeping malware, spyware, and viruses out of your life. First, you absolutely need an antivirus program to scan for bad software. Second, back up your files regularly, either to the cloud or an external drive. And third, always update your operating system. I know, the pop-ups are annoying, but those updates are packed with essential security patches that keep your system running safely. Ultimately, though, you are your own best defense, especially against scammers sending phishing emails trying to steal your passwords. Here's how you outsmart them. Never trust an email just because it slaps a familiar bank logo at the top. Never click the links they put in the message. If you're ever worried, just type the URL into your browser manually. Think of it like this. If a total stranger knocked on your front door claiming to be from your bank and then asked for your social security number, there's no way you'd give it to them, right? Treat unexpected emails exactly the same way. Let's talk about something a little different. Have you ever wondered how websites always seem to know you're shopping for new shoes? You look at one pair of sneakers on a store site and boom, ads for those exact same shoes are stalking you on YouTube and Facebook. It's incredibly relatable and, yeah, kind of creepy, right? So, the crucial point is understanding how this actually works. It's all about tracking cookies. These are basically tiny files planted on your computer to identify you and build up a digital profile for advertisers. They even use fancy math like probabilistic matching to guess that your phone and your laptop actually belong to the same person. Now, it is a trade-off. Yes, you are absolutely trading away a bit of privacy. But in return, your search engines run faster and websites can recommend content that's actually, tailored to your real interests. All right, we've covered the hardware, we've decoded the software, learned how to get connected, and found out how to protect our data and ourselves. By pulling back the curtain on these everyday devices, we can replace all that tech anxiety with true digital empowerment. The digital world is literally an open door for you to navigate with total confidence now. So, the only question left for us is, now that you understand your computer inside and out, what are you going to create, explore, or learn next?